Today, we're going to be building a $2,500 PC. I've never built a PC ever. I do own one, but it was pre-built, so this is completely new to me.
Get up, down, put the faces down.
Alright, what's up, PLAF gang? Today, it's just me. That's it. Just me. Because I won't have time later to record with the guys, so I gotta do it now. Which is why I'm going to be using this booklet a lot. It comes with all the instructions of what to plug in where. So let's get started. My room's already chaos because I started doing it. That's why it's already like kind of half unpacked and half not. So, unscrewed the front panel. I already did put the motherboard in here, but I mean, I didn't screw it down or anything, so I can definitely take it out. By the way, with these cases, I thought there was no screws. Turns out they were hiding underneath in the hard drive, in the like where the power supply goes. Turns out that's where they hide them. Well, they like to hide them. Okay, anyways, here we have the motherboard, which is the ROG STRIX Z490E gaming motherboard. And you can kind of already see I did put a chip in there. Because like I said, I did start a little bit. And inside you can see that chip. This is an i9-10850K unlocked. So very, very strong CPU. And you definitely do need at least this, not this specific one, but one that runs 10th gen CPUs. Otherwise, it will not work. So now I gotta put this thing. One more if I can get it. One more. It's in this freaking corner. It's like the worst corner ever. How the heck do how am I gonna drop it in there? Oh shit. Houston, you have a problem. Hold up. I think it might have fallen out. Oh, I really hope that it's not gonna mess anything up. Oh, the power supply we have here is a CORSAIR CX750M. It's not the best of the line, but you know, it's bronze rated. Yeah, beautiful. All right, so you gotta plug in the first power plug. There we go. Didn't click in. Oh, there we go. Yes. Cool. Sitting tight. Yes, beautiful. Alright, first plug in. Well, what I got was this, the ICUE H100i Elite CAPALELLIX by CORSAIR. So it is a liquid CPU cooler. Come on. Firmly grasp it. Firmly grasp it. This is honestly one of the most time-consuming things in the world. I'm not gonna lie. I really thought I really thought by now I would have more done. Alright, we've got the cooling system in. Now it is time to install the behemoth, the RTX 3080. Look at this absolute unit of a GPU. It's redonkulous. This thing, oh shit. I don't know if this thing's gonna fit. We have got the behemoth in. Holy crap, let me tell you. The amount of time this all takes, I don't know if it's worth it. Holy crap. Oh, I gotta re-plug in these guys. Oh, you get to see all the beautiful cable management happening here, you know. Don't worry, it's fantabulous. Oh no, don't fuck with me hard. Well, it looks like I have everything. Interesting. Oh, no I don't. I forgot a really big component. The RAM. I got myself CORSAIR Vengeance Pros 32 gigs. It's 216 by 2 by 16. 216 gigs, yes. Okay. I forget which way this goes always. Does it really matter? Oh no, bro. I think it goes in this way. Now I think we have everything. Now I just gotta put everything on it, like the covers and stuff. Alright, starting up in 3, 2, 1. There it is. Look at that beauty. Alright guys, for seeing this, that means you made it to the end of the video. And hopefully you enjoyed that beastly computer build. Now hopefully we'll be able to get some gaming videos out to you. Hopefully start streaming as well. So, you know, if you want to see that, be sure to comment that down below. Also like the video, subscribe, and remember, we do things our way.
Let's go!